the water into wine. Heal the lame, the sick, the blind. God of love wants back to life. A cloud by day, fire by night. And when the mighty oceans rise, you divide and turn the tide. Countless miracles are told in history unfolding. For the presence of your glory, let this be my story. I wanna walk and tread by faith. My anchor holds in this the solid rock. I wanna walk and tread these ways. Be still, my soul, and know that you are God. For you will keep me in perfect peace. My solace, my fortress, my mind will fix on your matchless grace. My fairest, Lord Jesus. When the darkness fails my senses, I know you'll see me through. Oh, no matter what, I want to you. I walk by faith and not by sight. Lord, I need you by my side. In my heart